Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka is now boarding the Open Jeep and we will view the parade, and thereafter will be conducted back to the dais as the parade commander has requested the Honorable Chief Minister for the inspection.
KSRP, KSRB, KSISF, Goa Police, Car, Traffic, Prison, NCC, Dog Squad.
We also have contingents from Excise, Fire Service, Home Guard, Traffic Wardens, Civil Defence, Scout and Guides, Rajarajeshwari English High School, Yeshwantpura, Rashtriya Military Band, Army Public School. Police Public School.
Residency School, Nandini Layout, Bangalore. Mitra Academy, Arkade, Bengaluru. Babu High School, Yeshwantpura.
ಲೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕವಾಯತು ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ.
ಮಾನ್ಯ
moments, particularly in the parade contingents.
ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ.